Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to Vlogmas. Today is Friday, December 18th. Christmas is 1 week away. It's been a few days since I've actually vlogged because I always stay like a little bit ahead of schedule for Vlogmas. So I kind of took the past few days off from filming, but I've been staying at my parents' house. It snowed clearly. The last 2 days was like our big snowstorm, and it snowed way more than it has in past years, so the ground is covered in snow. It's making me really happy, but the snow stopped like yesterday morning, so the road should be all like safe and clear now. So I'm driving right now to a nail appointment. I need to get these done. This one chipped off, and then I have a few errands to run today, and then later tonight I'm having my annual Secret Santa gift exchange with my friends. We're doing it a little bit differently this year, but I'll talk more about that later. But I have to get my gift all ready for that today. So yeah, it should be a fun day, but I'm gonna drive over to my nail appointment now. Hi guys, it is now Friday night, and like I said earlier, I have my gift exchange tonight with my friends. We do this every year. This is our 3rd year doing our little Secret Santa exchange. It's my college friends and I. So it's a group of 6 of us, and as you guys know, I'm not like seeing people right now outside of my family. So I'm going to be calling in. Not ideal, obviously, but I just want to be safe and not see people right now. So I'm just gonna FaceTime one of them. They're all gonna be together, and we're gonna do like a virtual gift exchange. So I dropped my gift off at my friend's house so she could bring it to my recipient, who is Irma, which I can say now. This will be posted after our exchange, obviously. I'll show you guys the app that we use. If you don't know about Elfster, you're missing out. This is not an ad, but they should really sponsor me because I shout them out every year. But it's this really cool app where you can organize like gift exchanges. You put in everyone's names, and then you pick a date for the draw to happen. So then everyone gets names drawn, and only you can see who your person is. So that way there's no one that has to like assign it, and so no one knows who has each other. And then also what's really cool about it is you can make wish lists. They updated it now so that you can add links from any website. I put some stuff in my wish list from like Sephora, Amazon, stuff like that. But what's cool is I can see Irma's wish list and get her stuff that she actually wants, and not just like random stuff that I think she would want. So I picked a few items off of her wish list. We have a price limit, so I didn't go like too crazy, but I got her the Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother, which I have, and it's amazing. So I know she's gonna love that. And then I also got her the Ordinary Retinol Serum. It's just like a face serum, and I haven't tried this one, but I hope that she really likes it. So those are the 2 items that I got Irma, but they're all doing this thing where they each make a different holiday themed cocktail. So I don't want to miss out, obviously. So my mom and I are going to make 2 different recipes that I found. One is like a really sweet, like white chocolate peppermint cocktail, and then the other one is just a Moscow Mule, but we're gonna add pomegranate in it, so it's a little more like festive. So I figured like one sweet and then one more like refreshing drink would be good. So we'll have some fun drink recipes in today's video. You guys should try them out, and if you do, post them on Instagram, tag me in them, because I want to see your guys' Christmas drinks. Yeah, that's what we're doing tonight. I'm wearing my PJ pants from Target to be nice and cozy. Kitty. Pumpkins. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. That's so rude. Time to get started with our first Christmas cocktail recipe. So we are making a white chocolate and peppermint martini. It is a strong one, you guys, but it's super sweet and Christmassy. So let's get started. For ingredients, you will need some semi-sweet chocolate chips, white chocolate liqueur, plain vodka, peppermint schnapps, heavy cream, some candy canes, and of course your martini glasses. The measurements I'll be using make 2 servings, but if you want to make just 1 or more than 2, feel free to adjust the measurements accordingly. And I'll also have the recipe that I used linked down below. So to get started, we are going to prep our glasses because they need to go in the freezer while we're making the actual drink. So first, I just crushed up the little candy canes that I had and poured them out onto a plate. This step is just to garnish the glasses, so it is optional, but it definitely makes the drinks 10 times cuter. Next, we're going to measure out about a half cup of the chocolate chips and melt them so they're a nice liquidy creamy consistency. And we're going to pour a little bit of the melted chocolate onto another plate as well. Next, you're going to dip the rims of the martini glasses in the chocolate and then coat the chocolate with the crushed up candy canes. This makes the drinks look super cute and festive. Once we're done with that, we're going to pour the rest of the melted chocolate into the glasses. Since we're going to put the glasses in the freezer, the chocolate hardens. So this is more for the presentation of the drink to create that cute layer of chocolate along the bottom, but it doesn't really affect the taste of the drink that much. So feel free to use as much or as little chocolate as you want. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and place the glasses in the freezer. Moving on to the actual drink, I realized this drink is just all liquor with like a splash of heavy cream. So it's definitely a strong one. I was feeling it after just one of these, so drink with caution. But we're gonna start by pouring 4 ounces of white chocolate liqueur into our shaker. Next, I poured in about 2 2/3 ounces of Tito's vodka. Next, I added about 1 1/3 ounce of peppermint schnapps. And lastly, I added about 1 1/3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Go ahead and fill your shaker to the top with ice and shake it up until it's nice and chilled and mixed together. And the last step is to grab your glasses from the freezer, pour your drinks in, and enjoy. Okay, we are moving right along to our next drink. This one is going to be a pomegranate Moscow Mule. This one tasted amazing and was super refreshing. I mean, I love a Moscow Mule, so obviously I was gonna love this one. For ingredients, you will need vodka, pomegranate juice, ginger beer, a lime, optional pomegranate seeds to garnish, and your Moscow Mule glasses. This one's really quick and easy to make. You don't need a shaker or anything. We're just gonna pour everything right into our glasses. So step 1 is to fill your Moscow Mule glasses to the top with ice. Next, we're going to pour 2 ounces of pomegranate juice into each of our glasses, and then we're also going to add 2 ounces of Tito's vodka into each glass. Next, we're adding 4 ounces of chilled ginger beer into each glass. And lastly, I cut a lime in half and squeezed juice from each half of the lime into each glass. You can go ahead and stir up your drinks. Then I decided to garnish mine with a slice of lime and some extra pomegranate seeds on top, and that is it. Are we ready?
We're moving you. Calm. You're
Okay, I'm calm.
Can you see?
Yeah.
There you see Dana a little bit. You see it, Sylvia?
Yeah, I see the 3 of you. Hello?
Hello?
Hello? I can see you guys now. You are frozen. Okay, I will start. So my Secret Santa recipient is someone that I met because we shared a dorm suite. And she's very outgoing, and my favorite thing about her is that she can talk to anyone and is always the life of the party, and I think you all know.
Merry Christmas! Thank you!
Yeah, I want to know if you like that. I've never tried it.
Yes! Thank you!
You're welcome. I have that, the Olaplex. It's really good. That's the only thing I don't like is they don't have big bottles. Like, that's the biggest size you can get. What is it?
This little brow kit that I really wanted because I don't have any eyebrows.
What's in it? A brow whiz and a clear brow gel? That's what I use.
Yes! She got so You have this?
I have, not that kit, but I have the separate items.
Ooh, they're good, right?
Yeah. You will love.
Yeah. Hasn't even touched her. Wait, and I got a little... Look, she made this. Her drink already. You made this, right? Yeah. Okay, so...
That's so cute.
That's what I was going to say. I mean, all of us. Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, that's so nice. Oh, thank you so much. I'm gonna cry.
She's very hardworking and generous and kind and always thinks about other people. Me? Yeah. I thought I was gonna go for her. Aw, that was cute. Oh, she wrapped it up so cute. Okay, if you can't see, she's like...
Do a haul. Oh.
Are these the organizers? Not all of them. They couldn't come on time. I know, but these are so cute, Stephanie. You have no idea. Oh my god, these are so cute.
Oh, little socks.
This is actually, like container makeup
Oh,
organizer.
cute.
My person, I didn't even think what to say to my person. She's really funny in her own little way. I'm not funny. Sylvia. She's funny in her own little way. She is funny in her own little way. First of all, that could be everyone. Why? What makes you think it's you, first of all?
Sylvia's like, I'm funny.
At the same time, she'd get very aggressive when she's like, saying,
I wonder who.
Polish little bitch of the group. Sylvia. She was just saying it. Say it. Yeah. Say it how you said it. How you just said it. Go. This is on my wish list. This is a milk mascara.
Oh, I've tried that. It's good.
I feel like we're all YouTubers right now. We're like, and this is shade. Hold on, you can't hold it.
Yes.
She wanted that. Oh my god, I've always wanted this. She cares about people a lot. She always looks out for me. She really is aggressive because she always wants me to drink alcohol, like today. No, she's super sweet. I really took a turn. No, this thing I found it before. I thought it was so cool because I always wanted to try this brand. Yeah, I wanted to try it. It looked really cool. It's like a skincare routine. And I feel like I have to start taking better care of my skin. Your skin is really nice.
We love
And
skincare.
the person I have is very nice and sweet, and she has a very bubbly personality, and she's a YouTuber. I don't know what this is, but it was on your list.
It's a lip balm. It's so good. I ran out of mine. Thank you, Dana.